Hi. Now that you have your Pixel installed on your website, the next important thing is we have to connect your social media pages. These are your business pages that you want to run the ads for. It's not your personal pages. These are your business pages. So it's not your personal Facebook profile or your Instagram profile. These are your business pages. So Stan's Gym is what I'm been taking as an example. So Stan's Gym's Instagram page and Facebook page is what we're going to be connecting now. So let's get started. So again, on your Meta business account page, you're going to click on business settings. It's going to take you to this settings page and you click on pages. So pages is your Facebook pages, right? And your Instagram accounts are your Instagram accounts. So we're going to click on pages, and I have already added a lot of pages, but yeah, now you can add a page. So you can add it in two ways, right? First is if you already have a Facebook page that you have created on Facebook, not on business Meta Business Manager account. If you've already created on Facebook that page, now you can search over here by when you click on add to page, you can click the exact Facebook page name or the URL that you see on top. You can copy paste it here. It'll show you a list of which page that you want to add. So you can click on that and then you can add to page, right? It's a Facebook page, not a group. It's a page, right? And if you don't have any of the Facebook pages that I have mentioned, so you can create a new one over here. Enter the details of your brand name, the categories that is in the bio that you want for your brand, confirm, done, and then it adds over here. So the Facebook page is done. While Instagram account works a little differently. You can't create Instagram account over here. So you have to go to instagram.com and create your Instagram account over there. If you don't have a business, sorry, I don't mean business. I mean, if you don't have any Instagram account for your business, right? It's not segregated like Facebook, like Facebook groups, pages, profile. It's not segregated like that. Instagram account is one account, very simple, right? Inside that account there is different segregations that we're not going to talk about right now, but so you need to have an Instagram account, simple, right? So you can just click on add. It is asking you to connect to Instagram account. So once you click on this, it's going to ask you to sign in, right? I have a list of already signed in accounts, so I can do that, or I can click on sign in. It's going to give you sign in options of email ID or account handle and then password. Once you click on it, it will come back automatically to your Meta Business account page, and it will show and it will populate the Instagram account on your Instagram accounts list. So yeah, that's about connecting your social media accounts. See you in the next one.